So by this point, you've definitely come across at least 100 YouTube channels that never show their face, but they're probably getting millions of views and bringing in thousands of dollars a month. No camera, no mic, probably little to no editing. It's just straight up automation. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how people are doing this and how you can start a faceless YouTube channel today with just AI. And the best part is it takes way less time than you think. Let's get into it. You have channels like Chill Dude Explains, Digital Income Project, Chill Music Zone. They don't film anything. It's all automated. And some of these channels are making 10 to $50,000 a month just off of automating their video. Ad revenue, affiliate links, sponsorships, they make so much money on these channels. And the best part is once you have the system set up, once you have your formula, then it just runs on its own. So I've been testing out different tools to do this myself. And the best one that I've come across so far is Wondershare Verbo. Verbo is a tool that allows you to create entire videos using AI. No camera, no mic, no editing software needed. You could either write your own script or just have AI write one for you. And that's a lot of the times what I do on this channel. Then you could pick from 300 avatars. You can select the voice, select the background, and then boom, you have yourself a full video ready to post. And it even has a timeline editor built in. So if you wanted to do some editing of your own, you could add in different music, subtitles, captions, transitions, B-roll, all without having to use CapCut or Final Cut Pro, things like that. Hit the link below and go test it out right now. I guarantee you'll be surprised about what you can build today without even showing your face. All right, so step one is going to be setting up your channel. First, you're going to want to choose your platform. Obviously, you have the big ones, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels. I recommend starting out with YouTube for the best long-term monetization, evergreen content, as they say. You can create a new channel with a niche focused name like Bite Size AI or Daily Motivator and use a clean, simple logo. And it's important that your name is also clean and simple as well. You don't want to overthink it, all right? Keep it as simple as possible. Step two is you're going to want to pick a profitable niche, and you're going to want to stick to niches that are either evergreen or fast moving. Think about news, productivity tips, money hacks, money videos, motivational quotes. Those will always be relevant. So if you want to find topics easily, just head over to Google Trends. I use Google Trends for all of my videos. You go on there, you type in any topic, or you just check on what's trending, and you can find trending topics in your city, in your state, in your country, in the world. It's dope, bro. If you haven't used Google Trends yet, go do it. You can type in stuff like best AI tools, motivation, fitness, whatever. And that's the best part about this entire process is you can make a channel about whatever you want. It doesn't have to just be AI. It can be anything that you like. All right, so once you get inside of Verbo, you're going to want to create a video and then scroll down through the avatars and select one that you like. There's over 300 avatars from formal presenters to casual influencers that you can use to make your videos. You can even upload a selfie on there and have it turn into a talking photo avatar. Like, if that's not crazy, bro, I don't know what is. Step four is you're going to want to script your video. And again, you can either use Verbo to create your script for you, or you can create the script yourself. Just give your video a simple topic, simple title, and then go ahead and start scripting. Obviously, you're going to want to hook in the beginning that pulls the viewer in. You're going to want some good value providing content throughout the body of the video. And then at the end, have a conclusion asking people to subscribe and like the video. And if you haven't subscribed and liked the video yet, what are you doing? Please subscribe and like the video. You feel me? One thing that I like about Verbo too is they have so many different voices you can choose. They have male, female, multilingual voices. They can literally be speaking Spanish 1 second, then go to speaking English. They can be speaking French and then go to speaking patois. Like, it's dope, bro. It's crazy. Are patois and French the same thing? I don't think so. Now, step five is the fun part where you can customize and edit things. You can go into the timeline editor if you like and actually build out the video more in depth if you like. You can add AI generated B-roll. You can add subtitles, captions, music, whatever you want. It's so dope, bro. You can literally make a video fully in under 30 minutes. And if you spend a lot of your time already watching YouTube videos and not getting paid for it, this is something that you should definitely be looking into doing. Now, once your video is ready, obviously step 6 is going to be to export and upload your video. And Verbo makes it so easy to do so. Hi, I'm an AI avatar created right inside Wondershare Verbo. With just a few clicks, anyone can generate videos like this. No camera, no mic, no problem. Try it yourself and bring your content to life. Now, I wanted to talk about a couple different ways that people are now making money from this. So the first way is going to be YouTube ad revenue. As you know, YouTubers get paid when YouTube runs ads on our videos. Every time you watch an ad, we make a little bit of money. That's one way that people are making money from this. Another way is affiliate marketing, promoting links in your videos, in your video descriptions. Put the link down below. You never have to hold any, inventory yourself. Whenever somebody purchases through your link, that's how you get paid with affiliate marketing. It's super easy, super simple way to make money online. You can also get money from sponsorships. Like, bro, it's so many different ways that you can make money from just doing YouTube alone. Once you take your face out of it, once you take yourself out of it and just make automation channels that just smoothly run, you can promote so many different products from so many different niches. It's insane, bro. It's dope as hell. And of course, you can make money from selling digital products or even selling physical products if you want to do so. So if you've been sleeping on YouTube this entire time, that you've been watching YouTube, because obviously you're watching YouTube right now, just because you don't want to show your face or you don't want to be on camera, whatever your issue was before, it's now eliminated, bro. You can go and get started today with Verbo. It's dope as hell. The game's changed. You don't need to be loud. You don't need to be flashy. You can just be consistent with quality content that you can build with AI. Y'all heard that voice crack? That was tough. So hit the link below today and try out Verbo. I urge you to test it out, bro. I didn't think it was going to be a dope tool until I tested it out myself. And I really think that it's something that you should try out for yourself. And comment below what type of faceless channel you guys are thinking about starting, because I'm curious to see what you guys do with this. And I'll even subscribe if you already made the channel. I'm going to see you on the next video, man. If you enjoyed this video and if you learned anything at all, please subscribe, like the video, and try out Verbo, man. I'm going to catch you on the next one. Deuces, gang.